this is a short video just to show you how this little handy spy camera pen works. It functions as a normal pen, and also it has a pinhole to record videos or take pictures. And on this side you have other two holes, which is two different LEDs indicating different things. And the way you record a video is by pressing this top button up here until you see the top LED turns on green, which is the power. So at the moment there's no LED on, so you press this about 4 seconds and hold it down 4 seconds. It's on, you release. Now this is on, but it's not recording. So what you have to do, you have to press once and release it. It goes off and it comes back on. That just means it's just ready to record now, to take command basically. It's not doing anything yet. If you want to start recording, you have to press this about 3 seconds, and it's actually 3 seconds. If you go 4 seconds, it'll turn off. Or if it's less than that, it won't record. So you have to be very accurate about that. So press 3 seconds, hold it 3 seconds and release it. Starts flashing and then it goes blank, or no LED showing. That means it's recording. So if I show myself now and my camera, you can see me, that I am recording myself. And we can test this, how to upload this video onto the computer. I'll show you that in a second. Before that, I'll show you how to turn it off. So now if I press this again, just one click, it goes green. That means it has actually stopped recording. And to stop the whole thing, to turn it off, you press it and hold it till it goes red flashing, and that is now off. To connect this to the computer, you take this off, unscrew it. You have the micro SD card there and the port for mini USB lead to go in there. The other end of the USB lead goes into your computer, and when you do that, it pops up as a new drive, and then you upload your video and play it. I'll show you how to do that on the screen. Right, so we're here on the files on the desktop, and you connect the USB port of the computer to the mini USB port of your spy cam. A drive will pop up here. In my case is F, drive F. Yours might be different, and you go into that folder. Under that you have audio, photos and video. We didn't do audio or photos, we just did video. And if you go to the video folder, there is my video that I just recorded. So you can play that. Showing. That means it's recording. So if I show myself now and my camera, you can see me, that I am recording myself. We can test this. The quality of the video is okay. It's dark compared to other normal cameras. It's very much dark, but it does the job. It records the voice and video. It does the job for, for a spy cam. If you want to purchase one of these spy cams, look in the description of this video. You'll see the link. Click on that and you can purchase one of those. It's a handy little tool to have. Thank you very much. See you later with another video. Till then, goodbye.